Whew. So I don't really know how else to start this video other than saying we made it to the top 20 for the Face Awards. Like, what? Honestly, I still am so speechless. I did not think I would make it past the first round, let alone get into the first round. So top 20 is such a crazy accomplishment, and I seriously owe it all to you guys. So thank you so much to all of you who have been voting for me and who made top 20 a reality. This is truly insane. Anyways, with the next round of the Face Awards comes another round of boxes. So I just got delivered these two massive boxes again, and I think we better crack on inside and see what's in them. Ooh. So this says, we hope you enjoy the goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and all of our amazing sponsors. So we got Target, Redken, Vichy, Clarisonic, Kitsch, and Audio Network. So let's dive on in. Okay, first up, whoa. Literally every single video I have to drop something. So this is from Kitsch. So in here we've got a shower cap reinvented. Ooh, I love me a good shower cap. Like, honestly, whenever I go to hotels, you know how they have those little plastic shower caps, like with the little like toiletries? I always steal them because, you know what, I just don't have a shower cap at home, and sometimes you just need a good shower cap. Oh, this is like a bougie shower cap, waterproof, fashionable, prints, and functional. Wait, this is amazing. Girl. Yo, this is actually really cute. Like, I feel like I could actually leave the house in that. I'm gonna keep this on for a hot minute. Wow, this is so cool. Thank you, Kitsch. This is this another one? Oh, this is a towel. Oh, a hair towel. Okay. It's like a little hood. I'm gonna have to read the instructions on how to actually use that. Thank you for that. Next up in here, we have, is this a tote bag? Oh yeah, it's a little tote bag from Audio Network. Next up, we have Vichy. And this is, actually this looks like the same, is this the same kit that we got before? Oh nice, I think it's the same products from before. I've actually been using the thermal water a ton. Every time when I get out of the shower, I just feel like I need to pamper myself and will just spray my entire body in it. So I've already been kind of making my way through it and I'm running low, so I'm excited to have a new one. Thank you, Vichy, that's very kind. Ooh, I can see something falling out of this. Are these bath bombs? Amazeball bath bombs. Y'all know I love me a good bath bomb. Who are these from? I should open. Where is this coming out of? Ooh, is this from Target? Yes, this is from Target, and it says, in honor of earning a spot in the 2018 Face Awards Top 20, please enjoy this gift. Ooh, it's like they know I love bath products. We've got some exfoliating body sponges here, a seaweed bath salt, with eucalyptus and peppermint. Whoa! I mess with a good bath. You guys know this. I'm so excited to use all these things. Thank you very much. No, wait. It says there's a toy surprise inside each bath bomb. Wait, this is the most Jaclyn thing I've ever seen. I'm truly just a kid at heart. I am a kid, actually. What am I saying? I'm just a kid in general. Okay, next up we have sparkly tissue paper. This is from Redken. We've got an all-over bodybuilder, so I'm guessing this will give me volume, which is good because my hair is pinned straight if you couldn't tell. We've got a thermal holding spray, and then a super strong sculpting gel. Oh, I love me a good hair gel. When I am lazy with my hair, I'll just throw a ton of like an extreme hold hair gel and sleek it middle part, low bun. That's like my go-to summer look. Wow, excited about these. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm getting actually a little hot with this shower cap on my head. Next up we have, ooh, another box from Clarisonic. Wow, this is insane. What the heck? There's so many different brush heads in here and different, what is this? A cleansing milk. I honestly don't even know how to process all this stuff. It's like insanely generous, and I'm just one girl, but now I've got 8 different, 8 different Clarisonic brush heads. Like, my face should never have any acne again, ever. This is crazy. I didn't even know Clarisonic made this many different brush heads. There's the Radiance brush head, Sensitive, Acne, and Deep Pore. I feel like I've always used the Deep Pore before. Exciting. Thank you very much. Okay, box number 2. So as of this moment, as I'm filming this, I'm not sure yet what the theme is for the next challenge. So I'm hoping the makeup in here will give me a clue as to what we're gonna have to create. I feel like it honestly still hasn't completely hit me yet that I've made it to top 20. Like, it feels like this is not real life. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I think I might still be in the shock stage, you know what I'm saying? Okay, first box here. This says specialty. Oh, Oh my. These are some colorful products. Okay, so we've got metallic paints. We've got vivid bright. Are these gel eyeliners? Cream colors. And the primal colors are these powders. So I feel like this is a big hint. We've got neons and metallics. Carnival? Metals? I don't know. Oh my god. I just want to know what the theme is. This box here says face. Okay, the next challenge is definitely going to have something to do with color because there's like a kajillion pigments in here, like metallic pigments and glitter pigments. We've got a dewy highlighter, metallic highlighters, basically every sparkly product and reflective product ever, born to glow. Okay, now we've got the lips box. My mind is like racing right now. I'm trying to figure out what would the theme be. Okay, and for lips, if this is it's full of metallics. Guys, this next challenge is gonna be insane. Okay, we've got Duochrome Lip Glosses here. We've got the Cosmic Metal Lip Glosses. There's a bunch of the Strictly Vinyl Lip Glosses in here. And then, are these more metallics? Oh, baby! These are the Liquid Suede Metallic Mattes. We're definitely doing something that's gonna be like really shiny and reflective. Oh my god. I don't know if I am ready for this. Now we've got eyes in here. Oh, this is a cool product. Glazed and Confused. Oh, this is dope. I love doing a glossy lid, and I think this product is literally to make a red glossy eye. Whoa. Oh, there's more of them too. There's a purple and a black. Yo, that is so cool. Oh my god. Okay, we've got shimmery jumbo eye pencils. We've got shimmery, are these cream liners? Gel liners? Holographic cream liners. There's crazy wicked lashes in here. There's also pigment primer and glitter primer. This is all becoming too real. Some smoky eyeshadow palettes, some lash glue. Guys, what do you think the next challenge is gonna be? Comment down below if you can kind of decipher what these hints are telling us and if you have any guesses at the next round. Okay, and then the last box in here, this one says tools. Oh, baby. I've actually never seen any of these chrome kind of metal brushes before. These look really cool. There's some more makeup sponges, which is great. I think this is a little container. Oh yeah, makeup brush container. More sponges. And we got some more makeup wipes because y'all know I go through these makeup wipes like there's no tomorrow. Oh wait, this brush looks like it's got Jaclyn written all over it. Oh yes, this is like a huge, look at that dense fan brush. This would actually be really good for like highlighting like your body. Oh, this feels so nice too. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, well, that is everything that was in all of the boxes for the top 20 face awards. Again, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's been so supportive and has been voting for me. This is a fan voted contest and this literally would not be possible without you guys. So seriously, a huge thank you to all of you guys. It honestly means the world to me. Huge thank you to NYX Professional Makeup and to all of these incredible sponsors for these generous gifts. I am so happy and overwhelmed and just, I'm so excited for the next round. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the notifications. That way you guys don't miss out when I post the top 20 video. And if you want to get live updates, follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting on my stories and keeping you guys updated. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'll see you really soon. Bye!